Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel, and if you're tuning in for the first time, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. Today's video is all about formulation and how I do my inventory, package, and bottle of my
lightning body wash, our shower gel. Amazing to give you up to 3 shades lighter. Yeah, I've already taken out some of the bottles. I still need more bottles to bottle up this. All these are formulated from the scratch. So yeah, for those of you that want to train with me, I will announce the date, so be patient with me. Amazing shower gel, great feedback. I'm going to allow you to sit up, then you see the beauty of it. Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. This is another batch of our luxury flawless lightning shower gel. This shower gel, trust me, will give you up to 3 shades lighter with flawless glow. Radiant complexion, helps to exfoliate your skin, helps with to clear off hyperpigmentation, discoloration, promotes skin cell regeneration. This shower gel, great feedback from me. Amazing. This is another batch I'm making. Just finished making it. You can see how it is and how glossy it is. This, you need to make your shower gel if you're selling from the scratch. You don't need to start mixing all the shower gel. In doing that, it will make it so watery. See how flawless, how nice looking it is. This shower gel contains more than 4 whitening additives, and apart from that, it also contains niacinamide. It has alpha-hydroxy acid compound in it, which will really help with your skin cell regeneration, to help soften your skin, help smooth your skin, help give you that radiant glow, help fight against free radical damage. Trust me, this is an amazing shower gel. You can't be using lightning, organic lightning product without you using the full range, as in including incorporating the shower gel in it. And yeah, if you want to get a good result from organic skincare, you need to use the complete set, which include body lotion, face cream, shower gel, scrub, oily, that's glowing oil, as well as other facial masks and other stuff that is included. If you can't, at least you need to get 4 or 5 of these items, which are very important for skincare, organic skincare, for you to get that result, that good radiant glow. That means you need to get the face cream, the body lotion, the shower gel, and as well as the scrub. If you're not getting the scrub, try and get the face masks. If you're not getting the face masks, you can get the glowing oil. That will help you a lot for you to attain that result that you want. And it involves patience and consistency and passion. If you're not passionate about what you're using, how do you expect it to work? Or you're using your product just 2 times or 3 times a week, how do you expect it to work? Or you're using your product just in little quantity, how do you expect it to work? When you're applying your product, you need to use it generously. This product is amazing. This is already sold out. By the time I put them all in their bottles, it's sold out completely, trust me. And this is the bottle it's going into, as you guys can see. And this is gonna be for our super whitening glowing oil, and the dark one is gonna be for the serum. I'm gonna be making a serum soon, which is gonna be with vitamin C, and I'm gonna be using the vitamin C derivative, which is much stable, and also helps with skin lightening, to fight skin regeneration, as in it helps to promote skin regeneration, fight against free radicals such as fine line, wrinkle, help with saggy skin, help give you that soft smooth radiance. So when you're using your product, you need serum to help lock in moisture, help glow your skin, help fight against any discoloration, and to help unify your complexion. So I'm going to be using the dark bottle for that, which is amazing. As you can see, the surface are all clean. This is the bottle for the 300 jar for my flawless my luxury flawless lightning body wash, which is amazing. Great feedback from that shower gel. And the vitamin C derivative I told you that the vitamin C derivative that I told you guys I'm going to be using is because it's stable. Ascorbic acid, the vitamin C, which is in form of the ascorbic acid, is unstable. But to make it stable, that the last video I did, to make it stable, you need to add vitamin E or ferulic acid. Even when you add that, you still need to take it to the lab for them to check the stability, and also for them to carry out microbial challenge test on it. After that, they do assessment for them to be able to determine the duration of that product. So in skincare, we have the rules and the guide that you need to follow. Ascorbic acid goes through a lot of processing. For those of you, I'm not saying it's not good, it's okay, but you need to know what you're doing. If you're not doing it right, you won't get stability, as in, because you want the product you're doing to be stable for you to be able to use it. You don't want it to fluctuate. You're using the product, the pH is 3, the next day it's already increased. Then when hair gets into it, it oxidizes, so it will lose its function on your skin. So you need something that is good. The vitamin C derivative, they are very, very good. Research has already proven that it's amazing. It's stable. You don't need to worry about the stability, and it also will help lighten up your skin. They are very expensive. I'm going to be doing that vitamin C, and I'm going to be giving out I'll be doing a giveaway, and I will let you guys know how to enter for the giveaway. You have to go subscribe to follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok, and also my Snapchat. So I'm going to leave it there, and once you follow me, you comment, and I'm going to call out the names and send to you. Amazing feedback. I use it, people use it, and you don't want to miss out on this giveaway that I'm going to be giving out to you guys. It's rich with amazing ingredient. I'm going to make I will be formulating the Eat Life to show you guys how I make the whole formulation process with the recipe. So for those of you that want to copy and try it, you can try it and use it if you have the whole ingredient I'm going to use on that video, so you don't want to miss out. Wow, I love this. I love this soap. Sincerely, I love it. For those of you that have been disturbing me for asking for training, sorry guys, my iPhone, I don't know what happened, just went blank, so I lost a lot of contact, a lot of stuff. So you can send me a message, and yeah, we take it from there. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also share my video to your friends and family on your social media platform. Bye.